Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide these apps in Redmi Note 13. So before starting the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe us for more interesting content. Firstly, just go to settings and then search here about hidden apps. These are your apps. Just select those apps which you want to hide. Like I want to hide WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and WhatsApp business. That's it. Go to home screen now, and then as you guys see, we don't have these applications which we selected. So for opening the hidden apps, all you guys have to do just do like this, and then we have these hidden applications here. We also has option of app lock here, so we can also lock these apps. Just turn it on, and then as you guys see, it required password. I am applying pin password, so just confirm the pin again. Not now. Then go back to home screen now and again do like this. See, we have to enter the password first to go on hidden apps. So apply password here, and then we have this option right here. So this is how we can hide apps in Redmi Note 13. If this video helped you guys, so like the video and subscribe us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.